Hi, in this video I will show you how to watch all your employee screens live from your smartphone using the software Wolfeye Remote Screen. So if you're often away from the office, traveling or working from home, but still want to see what's happening on companies' computers, this video is for you. Maybe you don't always have your laptop with you, but you still want to quickly check if people are working, what's open on their screens, and how company devices are being used. Instead of calling someone or waiting for reports, you want to simply grab your phone, open a page, and see live screens immediately. With Wolfeye Remote Screen, you can log in from your mobile browser and watch multiple employee screens live directly on your smartphone. In this video, I'll show you how to log into Wolfeye Remote Screen from your phone. I'll show you how to see the list of all connected companies' computer on mobile. You'll see how to open an employee's live screen on your phone and watch it in real time. And I'll show you how to switch between different PCs and how the live view looks in practice on a mobile device. Of course, always make sure to follow the laws in your country and for your purpose, for your use case, and to inform employees where it is required in case that it would be required in your situation for your use case and in your country. So this video is a technical demonstration, not legal advice. So let's start. I show it here on the computer, not on the phone. Yeah. Um, but the point should be clear. And the thing is the following. Wolfeye Remote Screen is a very small piece of software that you install on each of your company's computers, on each of your employees' computers, and it will allow you to access. It will allow you to see the live computer screen of each of your employees' computers um, through using this dashboard that you see here. So you install it and you receive this dashboard. This is the demo dashboard. That's why the password is displayed here so that you could also try it out. But of course, it will not be displayed with your dashboard. So you receive this link and this dashboard, and you will notice this dashboard, you access it through the browser. So you will be able to open this dashboard from your smartphone, from your phone, from anywhere in the world. You open it, you log into it, yeah, you log in, and we'll see all screens, all live screens for the computers that you have installed with a remote screen. You will see the live screens like you see it here. Okay, so this is a demo dashboard. And that's why you see for demo one only the computer demo one only one picture, a picture for the computer demo two, and so forth and so on. But in reality, you will see the live computer screens from your phone. Okay, from your phone, as if you were standing there behind the employee, taking a look at the screen of the screen and in live screen. Yeah. So live screen means like a screenshot every 2 seconds, updated. The screen updates every 2 to 3 seconds. Yeah, with this little time lag of 2 to 3 seconds. That does it mean. And not only can you see the live screen, by the way, if you right mouse click on the link where it says live, right mouse and open in a new tab, um, a new tab will open. You will be able to open this on your phone and will see the live computer screen of that particular computer. Yeah, in big, so to speak. Yeah? For each of the computers. Yeah, so if you wanted to see this one, right mouse click, open in a new tab, and you see this computer's live screen. Okay, this is a demo. You only see a picture here, but in reality, you will see the live screens here on these computers. So again, I'm showing it on the computer, but it will be exactly the same in big. Using your phone, you will be able to take a look at the particular computer. So if you would like to test it yourself, install the small piece of software on your computers and try it within a few weeks and within the trial period, then come to our website wolfeye.de and hit this button that says start free trial. You hit it and can book a demo session with me. You will be able to do the same day. So click the day you like, the hour, name, email, and phone number, also how many computers you would like to monitor so I can prepare the demo. And then we do the demo together. And in that demo, Wolfeye will already be installed on my computer, and I will send you the link to my dashboard so that you can see my dashboard in my live dashboard you will see. And if you like it, we can proceed to install it on one or two of your computers. I guide you through the installation, and that will enable you to quickly set up Wolfeye by yourself for your remaining computers. Yeah? So that's how it works. I'm very happy if you would like to test it out, try it within a few weeks to know if it helps you, if it's what you need. Come to our website, book a demo session. We install it. I send you the download link to Wolfeye Remote Screen. It is installed in 1 minute actually. And see you in the next video.